Hello, today I want to show you how we're going to do the maintenance of our airsoft guns for the Davnar Tech and Abaco virtual shooting simulators. The first thing we have to do is verify that the weapon is in a safe condition. We remove the magazine and we operate the slide. Once we do this verification, we remove our laser aiming device and we use a dry cloth to clean the side of the surface, which is generally where it gets dirtier when the gun is at rest inside the bag, where all the silicone that brings the gas is deposited. What is the silicone for? It's very simple. It keeps all the seals or O-rings that we have inside the airsoft gun wet. And in this way, we have a perfect performance and a correct operation at the time that we have to use it with our equipment. Once I clean this slide, all I have to do is remove the slide, clean the area that I have wet with the silicone, remove the excess, but always it has to have a small moisture film, especially the rails and the seals you have in here. We remove that excess silicone that we have, we reassemble the slide with the frame, and we do the mechanical check. It works correctly. We clean again and eliminate the extra residue. One of the comments I want to make is that you don't need to remove the micro switch. It is one of the great advantages of this system. We put our aiming device back in the Picatinny rail of the gun, align with the connector that is ready to work. We put the magazine in, and it's ready to go. Subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red button below to learn about shooting simulation technology, and click on the bell to receive all the updates on new videos, raffles, and much more.